Hey guys, what's going on? It's Kyle with HOGWORKZ. If you're a Softail owner, chances are your bike is lacking serious touring capacity for those long trips. HOGWORKZ now makes a saddlebag conversion kit for 18 and newer Softail models. A must-have for riders looking to upgrade to hard touring saddlebags. Our installation kit includes assembled bags, mounting brackets, and all the hardware you're going to need to get the job done. This kit supports many styles of touring bags, including the coveted one-touch saddlebags. Brackets and hardware are available in black or chrome finishes to match your ride. Additionally, HOGWORKZ has color-matched bodywork to finish the look. Today we'll be installing these on an 18 Softail Deluxe. Let's jump on into the install. The first step in the installation of the saddlebag support brackets will be removing your passenger foot peg from the motorcycle. Start by removing this retaining clip. Next, remove the passenger foot peg support bracket using a T45. The next step will be removing the two innermost fender bolts located on the rear fender using the same T45. Next, we need to affix these U brackets to the actual saddlebag conversion bracket using the supplied hardware, bolt and nut. Go ahead and hand tighten these on using the widest U bracket in the front and the slimmer bracket on the rear. Next, we'll tighten them down with the socket, keeping them just a tad loose for a little adjustability when we go to put the saddlebags onto the brackets. You'll notice the groove slot here, which will allow for adjustability depending on which model bags you have. 14 and up style one-touch bags or the older 94 to 13 style bags. Next, we will affix the saddlebag support bracket to the rear of the bike, reusing the OEM hardware. During this process, do not fully tighten all of the hardware down, as we'll still need to remount the passenger foot peg. Next, remount your passenger foot peg support. Now fully tighten the rear fender bolts. Next, finish reinstalling your passenger foot peg. Now we are ready to affix the saddlebag to the saddlebag support bracket using the included security knobs. Repeat the previous steps for the clutch side of the motorcycle.